So back in chapter 4, we talked about how to use, earlier in this chapter, we talked about how to use the graph of a system to solve an equation. So we could take, these two equations, and we're trying to figure out how these can help us, the graphs of these can help us solve an inequality. And we're going to kind of work through this throughout this entire lesson. Think about it as we answer this question. So how are the solutions to this equation represented on the graph? I think we've established at this point that the solutions to that equation, when we look at the graph, are going to be the places where those two graphs intersect. So it looks like we have maybe the point 215 and the point -3, 0. So our solutions to this equation are just going to be x equals 2 and x equals -3, because that equation just has x in it. So we would only need to identify the x values as the solution.